Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Second Son Woodworks. My name is Caleb, and today I'm going to be showing you how I built these raised garden beds made with treated lumber and corrugated metal. Stay tuned. Somehow, in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, I have found myself back in Montana on my parents' farm, where there are baby chicks, my dad doing some gardening, and my little brother, who is going to be helping film this video today. Let's get started. Since I am away from my regular workshop and tools, I had to borrow some tools from my dad's workshop, so I laid them all out here on this patio, which is going to serve as the workshop for today's project. I'll put links in the description below for all of the products and the tools that you will need to build these raised garden beds. Likewise, I will not be using my regular filming equipment for today's video. Instead, I'll be using my iPhone and a gimbal that I picked up off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. The first step in this project is to cut down the treated 2x4s to the correct length. I will put the cut list in the description below. Each of these boxes are comprised of 4 walls, and each of these walls are comprised of 4 2x4s that are joined together with construction screws. Then the 4 walls are joined together to form the boxes. I think my dad needs a new saw blade.
Routine problems. We'll be back after this short message. Boop, 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 boop.
Once all the 2x4s had been cut down to length, I laid them out and made sure the corrugated metal fit. Then I began to join them together with construction screws. You can see here that they are going to be butt jointed together, and I made sure to drill pilot holes. Also, I cut down several extra 2x4s for the 2 big walls of the larger box for added support. Unfortunately, I lost some of the footage from this build because of space issues with my phone. Sorry, folks. Once all the 2x4s had been joined together for each of those walls, I attached the corrugated metal to the 2x4s with shorter construction screws. It is helpful to drill pilot holes through the metal. For the smaller box, I had to cut down the metal for the 4 walls using my grinder. Unfortunately, that was some of the footage that was lost. Once the metal was attached to each of the walls, I joined the 4 walls for each of these boxes together with construction screws. And I have got to say I was very excited with the end result. Later on, I decided to add a false bottom to the smaller box using some spare 2x4s and a sheet of metal. I installed this false bottom floor at a slight downward angle so that the water would run down. Alright folks, that's it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video from Second Son Woodworks. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do it now. Hit the little bell icon next to it so you stay up to date for when I post new videos. And like I always say, build something cool. Take care, guys.